On your Fergus status board, you might have noticed a yellow section in each column. The yellow section is where jobs with internal queries live, flagged by team members when something needs clarification or review. Let's walk through how and where you can raise a query in Fergus Desktop. First up, quotes. When you're preparing a quote, you'll see a red flag icon at the top of the draft. This icon is consistent throughout Fergus. It always represents a query. If you have a question or need input on the quote, click the red flag and add a query note. Once you do, the job will move to the yellow section of the column it's in, most likely the pricing column during this stage. Next, the job card. Inside the job card, you'll find the same red flag in the top right corner. And again, the job will shift into the yellow section of its current status board column, making it clear that something needs attention. And finally, invoices. Once you've generated a draft, you'll find the queries flag under the 3 dots in the top right corner of the invoice, just like in the quoting stage. Click it to raise a query if something needs to be reviewed before sending the invoice. And that's it. Query flags are a simple but powerful way to highlight internal questions and keep your team aligned,